And so it actually immerses you more in the game. And I spent a lot of time learning about ambient lighting way before Philips Hue became really a thing. Like it had just came out, I think, at that point in time, and it was just the bulb, that was it. But before that, Philips actually had their AMBX, or AMFX, something like that, little speakers that had little ambient lighting bulbs at the top. This was back in like 2006, something like that. It was fascinating how just simple of a technology it is. And nowadays it's so much common. People have these lighting strips behind their TVs and stuff like that. But back in the day, it was such a nerdy thing.